Hey everybody, this is Sully, and I wanted to paint a picture for you. Imagine, you're 5 years old, it's Saturday morning, 8 a.m. For some reason you woke up because it's Saturday morning, and that's the only time you can see cartoons. You grab your box of cereal, because Saturday is for some reason the only day that you can eat cereal from a box, straight up. You don't need a bowl, you don't need milk, but you grab the box of cereal. You go in, you sit down on the couch, you turn on the TV, and what do you have? Cartoons. I'm talking like Garfield, and Snoopy, and Heathcliff, Cartoon Express. All of these just great, glorious, animated, hand-drawn cartoons that just made your whole Saturday feel like nothing in the world was wrong. That's what they call seeing with rose-colored glasses, and that's okay, because at that time, the best joy in the world was just waking up in time to see Garfield or Transformers. And do you remember watching Transformers and seeing the movie, and you were so enthralled because you knew it was 4 years in the making, and the animation was just on point, and you didn't know at the time that they were going to kill off Optimus Prime. And in your childhood, that time was just mesmerizing, because you saw it, and I swear, if you didn't tear up at the death of Optimus Prime, I kind of believe you might be the type that would go out and kick cats for fun. I mean, you have Optimus laying there, and it's dying. He's gone. And they did this because they couldn't kill Duke in G.I. Joe movies, so they said, oh, we'll just sacrifice Optimus. But I don't know about you, but that was just touching. And yeah, man, I just gotta tell you, Saturday morning cartoons, like, whatever happened to those? People want to bring back a lot of things, but I just want that simple joy of a box of cereal, footy pajamas, and good cartoons. Y'all have a good one.